Hello, creative people, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to paint with pastel chalk from the Portfolio series. If you haven't heard of this pastel chalk yet, there's a review of it here on the channel. It's worth checking out. I'll leave the link in the description. If you like the theme of the video, leave a like, subscribe and share it. I've already learned my role here. I separated some colors. The colors I'm going to use in this art I'll leave in the video description. So let's start with yellow. I'm going to try to make some dandelions. Well, now I could use my finger or a cotton swab, but I decided to use the dry cotton swab. Let's see how it works. It spreads well on the black, spreading, come on, very easy to spread. With the help of the cotton swab, it was very easy. With the Pentel pastel chalk, sometimes I need to use a little baby oil. Let's change the side of the cotton swab because now I'm going from the lighter side to the darker side. What I want is to make a transition like a blur. I'm going to use a brown color here to make the seeds stand out a bit. Now the moment of truth has come. Let's see if this white here can cover what I need. As you can see, the white didn't cover what we wanted. I can use the scalpel technique. Let's try to remove the color and make a little more white. Another way to make white is using the white pen itself, or white gouache paint. I'm going to leave one undone. Let's try to do it with the white gouache. Every time I do any art with pastel chalk, I like to blend the edges with a very fine blender, going from light to dark. Always clean the tip of the blender, just to soften the edge of the main drawing. Many people use colored pencils to do this. There you go. I thought it blended the colors well, the white lightened, but it wasn't as strong as I intended. Then I did it with the help of a white pen and gouache. I also used a craft knife. To make the lines here like the thin ones here, I made them with a craft knife, which exposes the white of the paper again. And up here I used gouache, which also gives a really cool effect when painting with oil pastels. If you liked it, I ask that you help the channel by subscribing and sharing it with other artists who also like pastels. I hope you liked it. Thank you and see you next time.
Enjoy! They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.